Well, good morning, everyone. It is day 46 on the Camino Frances. We had a really nice day yesterday. We needed a little reset time. Weather has definitely cooled off. It feels great. Shouldn't have any rain until later this afternoon. We only have 15K to do today, so we'll be done before any showers hit. All right, let's get going. From what I've read, we're going to go through some eucalyptus forests, so that should be fun. All right, let's go. Well, that was a lovely morning walk we had, especially through the eucalyptus forests. Oh, the smell is so nice, particularly after it rains. Well, we have arrived at our final destination. Room's not ready yet, so we are sitting at a cafe. We both have a little beverage, got a little food, and we're sitting watching other pilgrims go by. It is cooled off a bit. We've got rain in the area, so I layered up a little bit. And we're just gonna hang out here until our room's ready. And then we'll see what happens later, because we are in the pulpo capital of Galicia. We are in Medellin. And I am so excited. I didn't realize this when I booked our night here. So I can tell you that, at least for me, pulpo is on the menu for later today. More to come.
Ahí tiene. Sir, typical food in the way.
Wonderful.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Well, we have had a lovely day. And as you can see, yes, I did find my poo-poo. Oh, it was wonderful. I know some of you may say, ooh, yuck, and, don't eat it. But when it's prepared right, it is lovely. It is tender. It's just succulent. Gotta have it. So we just kind of chilled for this afternoon, walked around a little bit. Kevin really wanted donars. He loves donar kebabs. There was a place right around the corner, said it was open at 6:30. We go over there, not a sign that they're going to be open anytime soon. So we popped into a local tavern, had some food, a beverage, and just came back and said, okay, we're done for the night. Tomorrow we have a pretty short day, and we're just going to maybe sleep in for a little bit. We'll see what happens. You'll find out in the morning. Anyway, again, thank you for following along. Please let me know if you have any questions about the Camino, any thoughts. I'm already planning another couple Caminos for the spring, so I'll keep you posted on that. And I'll see you in the morning. Take care. Buen Camino.